Guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you're all doing absolutely wonderful. Today's video, like I said, it was actually a two-part video, so this is going to be a really quick video. This is a continuation of the first video, which was a tutorial on this look I've got at the moment, but because it was quite long, I didn't want to put the two together. I decided to split them into two. So if you like this video, please keep watching. This eyeshadow is a glitter gel from AliExpress again. I am on their hands when it comes to like makeup things. I'm very cautious where I purchase my makeup, and I've seen people do reviews on this and I wanted to test them out as well. It's called the Love Alpha Glitter 3D Eyeshadow. They come in 16 shades, but I actually only purchased 6 of them because those were the only colors that I actually liked. There they are. That's how they look like. And they came in a box like this. It's like this little plastic box here, and it has this little brush in there as well, which has the big side and a small side. I don't know what this brush is for, but I'm guessing that it's used to stirring and it's used for application. That's what, but it doesn't do a great job because it's plastic as well. So when you dip it in, it's most of the time slipping off. So I don't see the point of this brush. This the package. It comes in this little bottle. The cover is called plastic, and then is a bottle, and the net weight is 10 grams. It took up to 12 days for me to receive them, and I'm in the UK, so I think it's actually quite fast. But I will advise you that please read the ingredient that's in there before you purchase it, in case you're allergic to anything, because I actually tested it out as well to see if I was allergic to it, and I wasn't. So it feels very soft, very creamy, and it dries super fast, very easy to apply, and is easy to blend. The only thing I don't like is that it creases the eyelids. So if you've got a lot of lines on your eyelids, then I don't think this is actually good for you, which I do have. I do have lines. I've got like a hooded eye. So when I applied the blue on, I could see that it did accentuate on the lines on my lid, which I don't like. That's the only thing I don't like about it. They're very pigmented, especially the blue one that I've got on at the moment. As you can tell, you don't have to apply that much. But with the other ones, especially the gold one, it's not very pigmented. You need to keep reapplying to get the desired effect. It did say that it's long lasting all day. Obviously I haven't worn it all day, so I can't tell you, but for 4 hours it still lasted up till now. That's how it looks so far, and I think it's doing pretty good. It dried fairly quickly. It's actually quite shimmery, so it's glittery. It doesn't have a strong center. You want the shine on your eyelid, but you don't want to put the glitter, which is very messy. Then this is a way to go. So you can actually use the gel, or you can use this cream one. They can be used as an eyeshadow, but it can also be applied on the lashes. So if you want to get different look or different colors to the eyelashes, you can apply some to it as well. And it can also be used as a lipstick. The gold one, for example, it can also be used to apply it on your shoulders, on your neck, and also on your chest if you want the glitter and the shiny effect. This can also be used as that because it's got, like I said, it's a creamy texture, so it's very easy to apply. But I used it as an eyeshadow. I don't think I want to use it on my body. Got an expiry date on it as well, which is 2020 for some strange reason. The expiry date on there is 2020. Overall, I have not regretted purchasing these. They value for money. They affordable, very inexpensive, and so far I haven't had any allergic reactions. Please ensure you read the ingredients that's in there before you use it, because it might not suit every single person. It might not suit everybody. So please, very important, just read it. OMG, look at the colors. They are so pretty. Look at it. See, look at it. That's the gold one. That's the deep gold. That's light gold. That's the silver one. Look at how pretty this color is.
There's the black gold. Oh, I put a lot, didn't I?
This is the blue one. The blue is, it is so pigmented. Right, so these are the swatches. So this one is gold. That's the deep gold. This one is the light gold. That's silver. This is black gold. And that's the blue. Look at how gorgeous they are. They are so pretty. They're all easy to clean when you use wipes or when you wash it off, it comes up very easily. One thing I noticed was the blue one. This one leaves a little bit of a stain, because I remember the last time I used it and I washed it off, it left a little bit of a stain. But I think after a couple of washes, it will come off. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and take care.